What's up guys, this is Nicole Kevin D. Guzman for another vlog, and if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please do click that subscribe button and notification button para ma-updated ka sa bawat vlog post ko. So for today's video, I just want to discuss why DIY traveling could make you broke. So I know a lot of you guys are wondering bakit DIY traveling could make you broke. Isn't that the opposite side? It depends also naman kasi sa pangyayari or sa location or sa scenario. In this video, I will discuss my tips and explanation and some of the advantages and disadvantages if you will be going to travel for another place, if you will be going for DIY travel, or you want to get an online travel agency. For discussing any further for this video, let's go, intro, pasok. So disclaimer lang guys, itong video na to ay hindi sponsored video. I just want to say my online travel agency, yung online travel agency na kinuha namin for last month, I'm one of those people na sobrang skeptic and sobrang doubtful about getting online travel agency, and I'm one of those people na gusto kong itry yung DIY travel because a lot of people think na pag nag-DIY travel ka, it's much cheaper, it's much convenient, and it's much easier for the people na to go around from one place to another because DIY traveling is very popular among occasions na ginagawa ng mga nagta-travel talaga. So marami tayong reason kung bakit hindi tayo nagta-travel ng malayo or outside of the country. It's because of the fear. Fear natin dahil baka maligaw tayo, fear natin na baka ma-short tayo sa budget, and fear natin na pag nag-book tayo ng flight ahead of time is magkakaroon tayo ng problema in the future na we might have to cancel our flight to that destination. So yun yung mga karamihang fears ng tao. Natatakot sila mag-travel dahil sa mga ganong elements. Hindi naman kami frequent traveler kasama ng partner ko na which is si Alex, but nakikita ko eventually yung importance and advantages and disadvantages ng DIY traveling, and also sa pagkuha ng travel agency na magsaset ng travel itineraries para sa inyo. So if you're one of those travelers and also frequent travelers, and also gusto mo rin explore sa sarili mo na mag-travel, you want to change your habit, the way you see life, and you want to travel more for this year or next year, you should stick on this video and watch more. DIY traveling is not good if pupunta kayo dun sa lugar na hindi pa kayo familiar. Isang factor kung bakit DIY traveling could make you broke is because of the uncertainty and unfamiliar places na pupuntahan nyo. For example, pupunta ka kay Coron, tapos may pupuntahan kang isang waterfall doon sa Coron, and you don't know where to go to, you don't know kung saan sasakay, and you don't know kung magkano ba yung entrance mismo talaga. So parang you're just collecting your data from the internet, from the web, and also for the articles na mga nababasa mo sa mga friends na nagsasabi sa'yo. And you're just basing your budget. It depends sa kung ano yung na-perceive mo or na-accumulate mo or na-collect mo sa data na ginather mo while you're planning your DIY travel. Binadget mo sobra yung pera mo and pumunta ka doon, hindi mo talaga alam kung ano yung mga nandoon. So it's much better if you will be going to another place, like for example, Cebu, Coron, La Union, Baler, you should know someone, or if you have a relative, much better. You could make a DIY travel based doon kasi sila naman ang nakakalam. They could survey, they could canvas the place for you. Isa pang factor na pwedeng mag-accumulate or mag-contribute doon na magiging broke ka pag nag-DIY travel ka is yung transportation. Kung hindi mo alam kung magkano yung mga pamasahe, yung mga fare, taxi fare, jeepney fare, tricycle fare, usually transportation, isang malaking contribution din yan sa budget mo na that would cut your budget in half. Aminin na natin, syempre marami tayong gustong puntahan, marami tayong gustong side trip na puntahan, and it would take you, if hindi ka mag-rent ng car and hindi ka familiar sa place na yun, it would cost a lot for transportation. And yun yung pinakamahirap sa DIY traveling, unless sinabi ko sa unang video is alam mo yung lugar. May kakalala ka doon na pwede magsabi na mas makakamura ka sa ganito, huwag ka nang kumuha ng taxi. So the next thing that I want to discuss is the value for money. So saan nga ba talaga mas tipid? Saan nga talaga mas sulit if magdi-DIY travel ka or mag-online travel agency ka. In our scenario in Cebu, is nasulit namin yung online travel agency namin. Yun nga, nasulit namin yung binayad namin doon. Hindi naman siya ganun kamahalan. Pero sulit na sulit siya dahil ang lalayo ng mga pinupuntahan namin, na-maximize namin yung travel ban namin. Dahil marami kaming dalang gamit and we would leave our things dahil nga, syempre, magta-travel pa, pupunta ka dun sa isang lugar is ayaw mo naman na maraming dalang bit-bit na gamit. So, pwede mo siyang iwan doon. And napaka-convenient sa amin yun, lalo na limited lang yung time mo or for example, 3 days ka lang doon, 5 days ka lang doon, and you want to maximize your time, you should try to get the online travel agency rather than DIY travel. Book for an accommodation, sila ng bahala. Van transfer, sila ng bahala. Mga fees sa mga pupuntahan nyo, sila ng bahala. Yun lang naman kasing trabaho ng online travel agency. They don't want any inconvenience for you to experience para mas ma-enjoy mo lalo yung travel nyo. So when it comes to DIY travel, hindi naman kami all out na nag-online travel agency pag nagta-travel kami. But maganda rin yung nag-DIY travel ka pag alam mo na yung pupuntahan and hindi ganun ka-risky. The best feeling kasi na na-experience namin yung pumunta kami ng Cebu is syempre diba na nabayaran na namin yung airfare namin, meron na kaming budget nakasat na, nabayaran na namin online travel agency. Ang naging problem na lang namin is sobrang minimal is yung pasalubong, yung mga pang parking fees. Hindi free na lunch and dinner and breakfast. Hindi namin naramdaman yun kasi sobrang minimal lang na expenses. Mind you na ang budget lang namin for the travel is 5K. Yung pocket money lang namin is 5K, and to tell you the truth, meron pa kami sukli doon sa 5K na yun, sa 5,000 na yun. So, imagine na ang laking bagay na pag nag-set ka na ng itinerary or ng travel mo ahead of time, and also pinapundahan mo na siya, pagdating ng travel time mo, hindi ka na mahihirapan dahil yun nga, napondohan mo na yung travel itinerary mo. So just like I promised guys, i-flash ko dito sa screen kung ano yung online travel agency na nakita namin na akala namin scam, but hindi siya. It turns out it's not a scam and it's splendid and a great online travel agency, CBU Travels. So guys, ipupunta kayo ng Cebu, much better na sila yung kukunin nyo. Pwede nyo sila makausap through Facebook, and also they would give you their phone numbers, and 100% legit sila. And promise, yung service na dapat na yun lang binibigay nila, na-experience namin dun sa travel namin na they extended more. Wala kami masabi na mali dun sa travel agency na yun. Super thumbs up and very recommendable. So kung tatanungin nyo ako, if magta-travel pa ba ako domestically or internationally, I would get, hindi na ako magdadalawang isip to get an online travel agency. So that's it for my video for today. I hope you guys marami kayong natutunan dito sa video na to, and also pag nagustuhan nyo tong video na to, don't forget to share, comment, and subscribe. Tell me your experiences regarding kay DIY travel, and also kung anong mas pabor sa inyo, kung si DIY travel ba o si online travel agency. And let's make a discussion kung ano ba talaga yung parang mas preferred nyo. And also, if may gusto pa kayong i-add regarding sa mga sinabi ko, you are welcome to post anything in the comment section. And yun lang guys, hopefully mag-subscribe na kayo sa channel if nagustuhan nyo yung content ko for this day. And I will see you to the next videos and vlogs. Bye!